Of course, she's the woman we love, and that's exactly what her award says. Congratulations, the woman we love.
Thank you very much.
And tell us, woman we love, what does this woman love?
What do I love? Life. I love life, and I love everything that it's given me, and I'm very grateful for it.
Okay, this is your first, technically your first Femina Women Award, so that's obviously a little special.
It's definitely special. Femina was where I had my beginning from. I was Femina Miss India, and that's when I was 17 years old, and it was the first stage that I ever stood on. And today to stand back on that stage and get this award feels great.
Priyanka, also, when we have to say quick questions, the most powerful woman in Bollywood.
Most powerful woman in Bollywood. I'm not powerful. I think it would be Mrs. Bachchan.
And why?
Jaya ma'am, I think is...
Oh, I thought you were talking about Aishwarya. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that Mrs. Bachchan too. Well, both of them. I think both are women with a lot of substance.
Now I'm going to ask you, I'm going to say a few lines to you, and you need to tell me what women really mean when they say these lines. All right? Ready?
Ready?
Okay. I have no enemies, and I think I get along very well with everybody in Bollywood.
That even if I did have enemies and I hated those people, I've stopped talking to them, so I don't really give a shit.
When a man proposes to you and the woman says, I like you, and we can just be friends.
Means that, I'm not into you, man. Get the hint.
When a woman says to the other woman, oh, you look beautiful.
Sometimes we mean it.
And the other time?
Other times we feel like, man, I wish I'd worn that dress.
Well, not bad at all. There you are. You can see how truthful she is. Now, one very specific thing of life right now that has happened to you that's really upset you, and one thing that's the best thing that's happened to you this year.
What's really upset me, my dad got a little unwell, and that really upset me. And what felt great was that all the awards that I won this year, he was there to smile and cheer the loudest.
I'm going to end this question saying, Shahidan, you are back again, already shooting for a movie. Am I correct?
No, we finished a film, and it's going to be releasing in June. And the first trailer should be coming out with Houseful 2.
And how is it working again with Shahid? Like always, you guys have great chemistry.
We worked together last year, and we finished the film now. We just have like 2 days of shooting left, and Shahid's an amazing co-actor. He's a tremendously talented actor, and he's a friend, so it's always fun to work with him.
Great, thank you so much. There you are, speaking her mind out. The woman we love, Priyanka Chopra, Rudran Chatraj with Cameron Parish, Zoom. Thank you.